The idol of Sai Baba that we see in Sai Baba Temple of Shirdi was installed on October 7, 1954. Today, this idol of Sai Baba has completed 73 years. This idol was installed in Samadhi Temple 36 years after Sai Baba took Mahasamadhi in 1980. There is a strange and heartwarming story behind it. What is the story of creation of Sai Baba's idol? Who made this idol? Find out the answers to all these questions from this video. Hello, I'm Shrikanta. The story of creation of Sai's idol begins in 1952. A large piece of white Italian marble reached the dockyard in Mumbai from Italy. Surprisingly, there was no investigation as to who sent it, since no person or organization claimed it. It was auctioned. Those who bought the stone gifted it to Shirdi Science Sansthan. Seeing his beauty, the Sansthan decided to make a statue of Sai Baba from them. This sacred task of entrusted to the famous sculptor Balaji Talim of Mumbai. Talim himself was a Sai devotee. He had only one black and white photo of Baba. So he first decided to make a clay statue of Baba. The statue was made at Talim Art Studio in Girgaon, Mumbai. While Talim was making the statue, it was a perfect and neat that people started crowding a studio to have a look at it. The crowd would remain till 10 o'clock at night. Coconuts, flowers, trees used to pile up in front of the statue. The studio was transformed into a temple from the clay statue. The Talim started making a marble statues of Sai. Then he started to create a idol of Sai. Then, though the statue was neat, Talim was not satisfied. What were Baba's nose and eyes like? He was yearning of those details. He prayed to Sainath, Baba, please give me your darshan so that I can make the idol properly on seeing your true form. The next morning, a wonderful radiance appeared in the studio. There was light without turning on the lights. Sai Baba himself appeared and said, remember to see me from different angles. Then you will not have any trouble while making the idol. Baba gave Talim a darshan as a person. Due to this, his eyes lit up. After the incident, he came to know the subtle knowledge about Baba. Using this knowledge, he created an immortal and reviving idol of Sai. When the idol was almost completed, he noticed that there were some air pockets under Sai Baba's left leg. It was necessary to remove them, but it was very dangerous. The work had to be stopped. Talim became restless. He could not lift the tool with his hands. He called out Baba again. Baba, I need your grace. And he heard Baba's voice from inside. Balaji, do not be afraid. Start the work. The artisans were scared. No one came forward. Finally, Talimji himself took the hammer and gave a gentle blow on the statue. Surprisingly, only the extra stone part fell out and the idol remained completely safe. Tears of joy started flowing from their eyes. They distributed sweets and bowed down to Baba's feet. When Swami Shananand and Lakshmi Bai Shinde, who were in Baba's presence, saw this holy idol, they humbly said, it seems that Sai Baba has returned again. This idol of Sai Baba is 5.5 feet high. It's 3.25 feet long and 2.5 feet wide on a square. It took 22,000 rupees and 7 months to make this idol. After the idol was completed, it was brought to Shirdi in a goods vehicle, reached the temple of Khandoba. From there, the idol was placed in procession and amidst the sound of slogans in Samadhi temple next to Samadhi. Invitations were sent to many devotees by the management committee to attend the historic occasion of the installation of the idol. in the presence of thousands of Sai devotees. This idol was installed next to Sai Samadhi. Today, lakhs devotees come to Samadhi temple and are satisfied with devotion by having a glimpse of Sai Baba's Samadhi along the idol as if he were alive. After discussion about the deterioration of Sai's idol, an expert committee had conducted a detailed inspection of idol for 2.5 hours in December 2024. After that, a report was submitted. According to this report, chemical containing products should be banned and less water should be used. Curd and milk should be avoided. Only sandalwood should be used for fragrance, and strong light should not fall on the idol. Such suggestions have been made in this report. The Sai Sansthan is implementing it. Overall, this idol of Sai is completely safe after even 73 years. This was the story of creation of Sai's idol. If you like the story, then like and subscribe to this channel after about the story of Sai. Om Sai Ram. Thank you.